shit. I can't get in far enough. Literally can't get in far enough to get a straight fucking line on the screwdriver. Oh crap. Shit, still. I ain't getting much downforce on it, but it is turning the screw, so that's all that matters. Just hoping. Ah, crap. Yep, it's all fucking turning. God damn it. Now what? I don't know if I can do this. It's got gas and oil in it, so I don't want to tip it too far. Okay. Phillips head. Oh, I need a... Or... Did I just... Oh. I'm hoping this is the same damn size. Maybe I should... Oh! Okay, that's the wheels. Okay, so I need to save that off. Damn, not even close. No way it's this fucking big. Now one should be too big. And it is, I guessed. Fucking hands keep slipping on the... Are you fucking kidding me, dude? I doubt it. Dead on. Alrighty. Now, let's go. I know it. No fucking... Maybe I should go the other way. I'm tightening it, right? There we go. These lock nuts is what they are, and they're really locked on. Holy shit. All I need is just a God damn, how long is this bolt? Jeez Louise. It's not all the way off. But, well, that's so rusted out. Do I want to go in front of the axle? Let's see if I can't do this though. Wow, that's a lot of corrosion. Oof. Dude. That's ridiculous. I'm amazed I didn't fucking rust out. I've never seen a bolt that corroded before. Okay. See if I can't. You know what? Let's do something. Okay. Alright. Let's see here. Yeah, that was a brilliant idea. All that dirt just went right back in my face. I don't know what you guys can see. I'm hoping you can see what the hell I can see. I don't want to break this bolt. No! Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No way, dude. You know what? I think what I'll do is, so I can take this handle off, I want to turn this around. Well, maybe, gosh damn. Any other damn time this hose is 10 foot long, you know? When I need a longer hose, all of a sudden it's not there. I'll put that there. Oh, jeez, Jesus. No wonder why. I had all this shit taken off last year. Oh, come on, man. Now all of a sudden, there we go. It's all been flushed out, well maintained, and yet it's still fucking corroded. Come on. Oh, what the hell, dude? Is it even unscrewing? Oh, jeez Louises. No. Shouldn't have been that damn tight into it. Okay, now. Ah, damn! Oh, what the hell, dude? There we go. I hate these kind of bolts where they have a secondary thread. Nowadays they're putting them on practically everything. Huh. Okay, well. I'll show you what I mean here in a second. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but there's threads here. There's empty space and then threads. The secondary thread bolt. So this way, if this were to ever come off, unthread, it'll only go that far. It pisses me off because when you go to take this shit out, like I'm doing, it's so much harder to get this crap to unthread. Okay, so there we go. Oh, come on, man. Jeez Louises. Finally. Remember to WD-40 that shit when I put it back. Holy crap. This actually goes. And I just dumped a bunch of dirt on the goddamn filter. There. Now I can turn this. Ooh, maybe not. Holy shit. Can't believe all this to put that on. Okay. What's that? Now I need something to block this up. Okay. Ouch. That fucking hurt. Okay. All that just to take off one frickin' bolt. Okay. No. Oh, come on. come on. What is going on now? It's binding up for some reason. And I don't know what is going on here. Did my ratchet just break? No. Huh. I don't know what's going on. That's the problem. I'm not getting any down pressure. And I can't hold on to this fucking ratchet. Nope, it's rounded off. Son of a bitch. Well, that didn't take much to fucking round that off. Son of a bitch. What's a fucking spider web? Let's try that. Oh, come on, man. I ain't got all day. Nope. God damn. Everything's got to be a fucking way. Jesus fucking criminy. Alright. I know too far. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, well, let's try this again. Yeah, it's just gonna fucking... Okay, so that didn't work. I might have to take the fucking tire off. Oh, come on, man. Nope, it just keeps fucking sliding right off. I actually forget how to take the tire off. Huh. There we go. That'll work. Shit. Ah, bug bite. Yeah, see, it just... Oh, crap. crap. Now the tire's in the way here. Now where the hell's the... Shit. Now it's so freaking low. Oh, that sucks. And I can't believe it's taken this much just to fucking take the motor. Just all I need is not even a half-inch, dude. That's it, right there. About a quarter of an inch. That's it. I've got to do all this to fucking take that off so I can put the damn cable back on. And it spun again. Son of a... Who the fuck thought to put a wood screw on a goddamn